Okay, our next chapter is geometric construction skills. You always ask yourself, what is there in the geometric construction skills? What is the competence? The competence is the learner uses angle properties of lines and shapes to solve problems. What are the learning outcomes? Do perpendicular, construct angles, use compasses, construct 60, 45, those angles, and so on. Okay, so now here we have our scenario. Our scenario here is a landowner has a triangular plot of land with the base measuring 70 meters. Okay, base measuring 70 meters, and the two other sides are inclined at 75 degrees. These two sides are inclined 75 degrees and 60 to the base. Okay, so they want to construct a well within that plot, but they don't know. The owner wants to maximize the space, but is unsure of the area to cover. So to maximize this space in the triangular plot, it means that that well should touch all the three sides to maximize that space. So the owner wants to know the area. So remember, we want to draw a circular well in. So we want to know the area here. First of all, we first scale the 70 meters. Here we have 70 meters. So the scale, here we can say 10 meters are equaling to 1 centimeter. Meaning that now 70 meters will be equaling to just 7 centimeters on our scale there. Or you can just divide. Okay, so from there, what do? You come now, you start by constructing a straight line. This is construction, remember. You put your ruler there straight. Then you draw a horizontal line. Remember this one, they're telling us that it's 70. So if I'm to measure off my 70, it's going to be around there. So 70. So I have my 0 there, then my 70 around there. So this is my 70. Okay, but remember on our scale, these are what? 7 centimeters. Now from there, I have to construct 75 and I have to construct 60 on these two things here, on these 2 points here. So it's better I first make this one a bit longer because of what I'm going to construct there. So we can start with by constructing our 70. So it's very easy. By the way, if you want to see all these topics in details or construction, you can visit the playlist, then you see how we handled constructions, how we construct the 60, the 70, everything is in there. But for now, we are just going to apply those things in there. So I come and I first construct my 75. So 75, we start by constructing 90, then we bisect 90 and 60. So from here, you start by constructing our 90. So you put there. Then I need to draw here. I get my 60. Then here I can get my another arc there. Then to get 90, I'll put here, construct up there. Then also put here, construct up there. So this will be now 90 and 60. Now I need to bisect this and this, these two. So I put here, this will be already an arc there. So I draw an arc there. Then I put here, I also do, you can adjust a bit so that it can be visible. So there. Then you also put here. Remember, you want to bisect, or if that is hard, you can first, you want to bisect this angle here, this and this. So you can say, you can first put this line here, so that I can use this and this, then you can bisect either way. It will work for you. So anyway, let us do what is common by first putting, by first putting 90 degrees there. So if I'm to put my 90 degrees there, this is the common method. You first put your 90 degrees there. So now, after putting 90, remember, this is already 60. So I need to bisect this and this. Remember, if this is 60, then this is 30. So I need to bisect that. So you put here your pointer, you do an arc there, then you put another point, you put there, then you do an arc there. Where they meet, that will be our 75. Then to do 60 here, remember 60 now is inside. Our 60 is inside there. So do remember now my 60, I just need to put it here. I draw an arc there, then also another arc there. Then I come, I put there, then I join that. So that will be my 60 and 75. So where they meet is going to be my triangle. So then I put here. So my 60 is in there. So 60. That's my 60 there. Then I come also join at 75. It's a bit. My triangle, you see my triangle is going to be up there. So wire here is going to be my 75. So see my triangle is going through my heading there, but we shall find it there. We have no problem. We shall find it. We shall find that vertex there, where that triangle is meeting that one. Okay, it's going in there. So you see that the triangles are meeting up there. So now all I need to do is now to bisect these two angles. So bisecting those angles is the easiest. So bisecting them is the easiest. Just put here, bisect it there, put here. Then also change this to this. Then this one also I need to bisect also 75. Just put here, draw an arc there, put here, draw an arc there. So bisecting is the easiest. So then after you join those two, where they meet, it will be the center of our circle. Okay, so another one is here. So you put here. So this is where they meet. So now I need to draw a triangle around those two things. So, I mean a circle touching the three sides. So this is where they meet. So from one side, which is there, a bit. So my triangle over there, touching just that side. Oh, the compass is trying to become bigger a bit. Remember, so come back here. So here, that's my triangle there being inscribed there. Then also the side here. So that my circle is touching there, also touches, there. So there, clearly. So that is my triangle. Now we want to measure this radius here of this circle. So to measure that radius, we drop a perpendicular. How do you drop a perpendicular? All these things are already there in the videos for the circumscribing. So you drop an arc there, you also drop an arc there. Then you put here, you draw an arc there down. You put here, you draw an arc down there. Then you also put here, then you draw an arc down. Then you join those two. So that's how we measure the radius, even though you can measure it with ease, but it's advisable to measure it. To drop always a perpendicular. Now, they want us to get the area of this circular wheel. Remember, this is our 75 degrees. This was our 60 degrees. So now I need to measure the length of this radius here. So my radius from here if I'm to measure well, probably, okay, let me use this, there is going to be 1 point, it's going to be, this is 1, this is 1, 2, 2.2. Mine is 2.2. So my radius there, so my radius is 2.2 centimeters. But remember, our distance was given in meters. So you convert our meters, so which will be 2.2